What's going on, intelligent people? Mr. Sequin, as you can see right here, we have Luna. Luna, actually, today is 8% up. In the past week, our past week's prediction was wrong. Okay, now we had that absorption, clear break structure, and I was looking for downside moves, but we never actually had the confirmation. So this is why it kind of went in the wrong, in the opposite direction. We're gonna leave like a bunch of this stuff right here. Okay, let's see what we have selected. Okay, yeah, everything just like that. I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame. You can see that we're making these new all-time highs if I'm not wrong. Yeah, actually with Luna, the new all-time high is at $115.91, which is pretty great. I mean, it's even we actually made it today. Great stuff. But we also know that we still have a lot of liquidity on this side, guys. Okay, it's just like trail line liquidity. Okay, just like that liquidity. Now I'm gonna let it like run like to however high it wants. Now like we grab the liquidity there and it just moves to the upside down. We're gonna leave it. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. We're not gonna do nothing. What I'm gonna also keep in mind is this beautiful demand area. This hasn't been mitigated from previously. The price can easily maybe I mean $50 is super low for that. So we could start to look for some demand areas in here, for example, like this one to continue this new trend that we're at, right? This one. Then we have some demand areas in here. So yeah, that's about it. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.